Hello everyone and welcome to the Lancaster Volkswagen YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you around this stunning 2017 plate Volkswagen Passat estate. This is the GT model, meaning it's the top of the range, and it's the 2-litre TDI diesel with the 6-speed manual gearbox. It's part of our approved use scheme as well, which means you get 2 years warranty, 2 years roadside assistance, and if you buy this car on PCP finance with us, you'll also get free 2 years servicing. See, the parcel shelf on this is really clever. Just press it down, it goes to there, press it down again, and off it goes. You've also got a boot floor that does that, and you've got your spare wheel under there as well. Really great to have. It's a full-size spare on this one. You've got the jack and your locking wheel nut there too. You do also obviously have your 2 years roadside assistance, so you can get them to pop that on for you. It's also nice, that's a massive cost that you're saving on your roadside assistance. £10–15 a month easily. It's a lovely car. We'll do a full 142 point check on it as well. That means we'll check everything from tyres to brakes, clutch, gearbox, fluids, making sure that everything's in the correct working order for yourself. See there, it's done 58,294 miles. You've got your 6.5-inch centre touchscreen, navigation built in, which is really great obviously. You do also have a clock on this one as well, the classic Passat. You've also got front and rear parking sensors too. Pop that up. You've got front and rear parking sensors, really useful. Dual zone climate control as well, that means you and your passenger can be different temperatures. 6-speed manual gearbox. Really nice to have that extra gear because quite a lot of cars are 5-speed. Beautiful panoramic sunroof as well that you can open. Press that and it'll go back. It'll stop there, you just press it again, and that's how far back it goes. Got a little wind deflector built in that stops flies and just makes it a bit more aerodynamic. Just a really lovely feature to have, especially in the summer for that convertible feel. Just bringing the blind across now as well, the electronic blind. You've got these two buttons to control that. You can stop it at any point along the roof just by using the back button, and that means that if you've got kids or pets, they can have a bit more shade in the back of the car, which is really great obviously. And that's that across. We'll give it a full valet for you as well. As you can see, it is pretty clean, but it'll get fully valeted before you do take the car as well. We do offer nationwide delivery for £199, or you're of course free to pick it up and sign the paperwork with us. There's 2 sets of ISOFIX points in the rear and the armrest as well, centre. So 3 seats, but you can have that centre armrest out when there's 2 people. Auto lights as well, of course, and adaptive cruise control as well. That, I mean, it'll keep it the right separation distance from the car in front. Digital dash as well, that's another upgrade, so really nice to have that. You go across, you can have your navigation in the cluster. You press OK and it just makes the dial a bit smaller and the navigation bigger. So really easy to see. It's done 58,294 miles, which is about average for its age of car. It is a 5-year-old car now, so that's about average 10 to 12,000 miles a year in a Passat diesel, so that's correct. It's finished in deep black leather paintwork as well, which obviously will really help your residual values as well, because it's always a desirable Volkswagen colour. And you've got your lovely alloys as well that are on the GT model, slightly upgraded from the SE and SE Business. If you've got any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us and we'll be very happy to help. We do offer flexible financial options, and part exchange is welcome of any make, model, condition, mileage, etc. This car is on site, so it's available to view or test drive whenever you wish. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you very soon.